So our project is called Design for Vines. So we're designing structures that vines of various different climbing types can grow on to help expand the Arboretum's collection.
Okay, so we all kind of were in charge of making our own design, and then we all kind of put together something. So I guess what we came out with is just kind of like a cave-shaped trellis structure where one part of it's kind of higher than the lower part. That way it gives more room for the vines to kind of climb to the top of the trellis structure.
Goal, I think, to have something beautiful to add to the campus and have different areas as sort of like a teaching element to see how different vines grow.
I'm working on the structure, so the large overhang cave.
And I'm also working with Maddie, who's us two, that kind of came up with the overall trellis structure design.
And I'm sort of working on the interior of the structure, so sort of the floor plan area that you'll walk through.
I think we can, there's a lot of resources we can get to. Like, if you don't really understand the campus, there's always someone there kind of ask, and you know, just it's such a community up here compared to like, because I was originally a design student, then I came here and it's just it felt like kind of a close-knit community here.
I think it's really important for us to be able to sort of work with our hands and see the build side. I think it makes us better designers overall to understand that process.
It's a little bit nerve-wracking, especially knowing that what we build is going to stay here, hopefully for quite a few years. And you know, the public interacts with this space, and students interact with this space, and we know, all of the instructors and students here. So we just want to do something that'll please everyone and make them proud to have it on campus.
I think it's very kind of cool to see something kind of that we're working on and it's just here probably for the next few years hopefully, and just really cool kind of like, say if I come here with my parents, I can show my parents that this is something that our class kind of worked on. So
I think it's really exciting. It sort of gets into the reason why I wanted to design, to have something that I can look at and say that I did and I'm proud of.
I guess for me, I really hope it brings the community here closer together, because I see like people living by here kind of walking their dogs. I just like kind of bring people closer together, especially in like today's world where there's like so much going on. It's just something here to kind of make the community better.
Yeah, I think it'll be like Eric said, a valuable community space, and also a great resource for all of the horticulture and landscape architecture students here. And just, something beautiful. I mean, this campus has been through a lot in the past year, and being able to build something after so much destruction occurred is just a very beautiful thing, I think.
I think also, I hope we get a lot of lessons out of it. Like, we'll see it go up, and also like what happens afterwards. I think that'll be a really good learning experience for us.